Hello, welcome back to the English Brain.
Hi, everyone. We're very happy you are here with us today.
Today, we're going to talk about not wasting your life in English.
Yes, this is English conversation practice about living with purpose, using your time well, and finding meaning.
This is a deep topic, but we will use simple, clear English.
So you can practice your listening and maybe also think about your own life.
Before we start, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel a little reflective today.
Reflective? What does that mean?
It means I'm thinking about my life, my choices, and my future.
That's interesting. Why are you feeling reflective today?
Yesterday, I talked to an old friend. She asked me, "Are you happy with your life?"
And what did you say?
I said yes, but then I kept thinking about the question all night.
That's a powerful question.
Yes, it made me think, am I using my time well? Am I wasting my life or am I living it?
Let's start with a simple question.
Okay,
What does it mean to waste your life?
to waste your life means you spend your time on things that don't matter to you.
You're alive, but you're not really living.
Exactly. You just follow routines without thinking, without purpose, without joy.
For example, you work at a job you hate, but you never try to change.
Or you spend hours every day on your phone, scrolling, but you feel empty afterward.
Or you have dreams, but you never take action.
Years pass and you realize you didn't do the things you really wanted to do.
That is wasting your life.
Yes, and many people feel this way sometimes.
Do you ever feel like you're wasting your time?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Can you give an example?
Sure, sometimes I spend 2 hours watching videos on the internet.
And how do you feel after that?
I feel tired and a little guilty. I think I could have read a book, I could have learned something new.
But you didn't.
No, I just watched random videos.
I understand. I do that too sometimes.
So the question is, how can we stop wasting time and start living more intentionally?
Let's teach some useful phrases.
Good idea.
You can say, I don't want to waste my life.
Or, I want to live with purpose.
You can say, I want to make the most of my time.
Or, I'm trying to focus on what really matters.
You can say, I feel like I'm not using my potential.
Or, I want to do something meaningful with my life.
Let's repeat slowly for practice.
Yes, repeat after us.
I don't want to waste my life.
I don't want to waste my life.
I want to live with purpose.
I want to live with purpose.
I want to make the most of my time.
I want to make the most of my time.
I'm trying to focus on what really matters.
I'm trying to focus on what really matters.
Now, let's talk about what really matters in life.
This is different for every person.
For some people, family is the most important thing.
They want to spend quality time with the people they love.
For other people, learning and growing is most important.
They want to read, study, explore new ideas, and develop their skills.
For some people, helping others is the key to a meaningful life.
They want to volunteer, donate, teach, or support their community.
And for some people, creating something is most important.
They want to create art, write books, build businesses, or leave something behind.
You can say, what matters most to me is my family.
Or, what matters most to me is personal growth.
Let's do some vocabulary.
Yes, these words are very useful.
Purpose. This is a noun. Purpose means the reason you do something, your direction in life.
Example, I want to find my purpose.
Meaningful. This is an adjective. Meaningful means something has value and importance.
Example, I want to live a meaningful life.
Potential. This is a noun. Potential means your ability to become something great.
Example, I'm not using my full potential.
Intentional. This is an adjective. Intentional means you do something on purpose, with thought and care.
Example, I want to be more intentional with my time.
Regret. This is a noun or a verb. Regret means feeling sad about something you didn't do.
Example, I don't want to have regrets when I'm old.
Many people waste time because they're afraid.
Yes, fear stops us from living fully.
What are people afraid of?
They are afraid of failure, of judgment, of change.
For example, you want to start a business, but you think, what if I fail?
So you never start and you stay in the same place.
Or you want to learn a new skill, but you think, I'm too old, it's too late.
So you never try and you miss the opportunity.
You can say, I'm afraid to try new things.
Or fear is stopping me from living the life I want.
Let's make a short dialogue. You seem a little sad today. What's wrong?
I feel like I'm wasting my life. I go to work, come home, watch TV, and sleep. That's it.
Do you want to change something?
Yes, but I don't know where to start.
Maybe start with something small. What's one thing you really want to do?
I've always wanted to learn the guitar.
So, why don't you start?
I'm afraid I'm too old and I don't have time.
You have 1 hour every evening. That's enough. And you're never too old to learn.
You're right. Maybe I should just try.
Now, how can we stop wasting our lives?
Let's share some simple, practical ideas.
Idea 1. Ask yourself, what do I really want?
Take a piece of paper and write down your dreams, your values, and your goals.
Don't think about money or time. Just write what you truly want.
This helps you understand your purpose.
You can say, I'm trying to figure out what I really want in life.
Or you can say, I'm writing down my goals to get clarity.
Idea 2. Stop doing things that don't serve you.
For example, if you spend 3 hours every day scrolling on social media, ask yourself, is this helping me?
If the answer is no, try to reduce it. You can say, I'm trying to spend less time on my phone.
Or I'm cutting out activities that waste my time.
This creates space for things that matter.
Idea 3. Take small steps every day.
You don't need to change your whole life in one day. Start with one small action.
For example, read 10 pages of a book, walk for 15 minutes, or call a friend you miss.
You can say, I'm taking small steps toward my goals.
Or every day I do one small thing that matters to me.
Small steps add up over time.
Yes, in 1 year you will be very different.
Idea 4. Don't wait for the perfect moment.
Many people wait and wait and wait.
They say, I'll start when I have more money, or I'll start when I have more time.
But the perfect moment never comes.
You can say, I'm starting now, even if it's not perfect.
Or I'm done waiting. I'm taking action today.
The best time to start is now.
Yes, even if you're scared, even if you're not ready, just start.
Idea 5. Spend time with people who inspire you.
The people around you influence your energy and your choices.
If you spend time with people who complain and do nothing, you will feel the same.
But if you spend time with people who dream, act, and grow, you will feel motivated.
You can say, I'm choosing to spend time with positive, inspiring people.
Or I want to be around people who make me better.
Let's practice some I sentences about living with purpose. Repeat after us. I want to live a life I'm proud of.
I want to live a life I'm proud of.
I don't want to waste my time on things that don't matter.
I don't want to waste my time on things that don't matter.
I'm going to start working on my dreams today.
I'm going to start working on my dreams today.
I choose to live with intention and purpose.
I choose to live with intention and purpose.
Many people realize they wasted time only when they are very old.
Yes, there's a famous quote. The biggest regret of the dying is that they didn't live the life they wanted.
They worked too much. They worried too much. They didn't follow their hearts.
So the lesson is, don't wait until you're old to realize this.
You can say, I don't want to have regrets when I'm older.
Or, I want to look back on my life and feel proud.
Let's make another dialogue. What's your biggest dream?
I want to write a book.
That's amazing. When are you going to start?
I don't know. Maybe next year.
Why not this week?
I don't have time.
Can you write for 10 minutes every day?
10 minutes? Yes, I can do that.
Then start this week. In 1 year, you'll have a whole book.
You're right. I'm going to start tonight.
Now it's your turn to practice. We will say the beginning of a sentence and you can finish it. One thing I really want to do in my life is...
Maybe you say travel the world, or learn a new language, or start my own business.
I feel like I'm wasting time when I...
You might say when I watch TV all day, or when I worry too much.
Starting today, I will...
For example, I will read for 15 minutes, or I will call someone I love.
We learned how to talk about living with purpose. I want to live a meaningful life. I don't want to waste my time.
We learned important words like purpose, meaningful, potential, intentional, and regret.
We talked about why people waste time, fear, distraction, waiting for the perfect moment.
And we shared 5 ideas. Know what you want, stop wasting time, take small steps, start now, and surround yourself with good people.
Remember, you only have one life.
Don't wait. Don't waste it. Live it fully with purpose and intention.
For homework, write 3 sentences.
1 sentence about what really matters to you.
1 sentence about something you've been waiting to do.
And 1 sentence about what you will start this week.
For example, what matters most to me is my family.
For example, I've been waiting to start exercising.
This week, I will walk for 20 minutes every day.
If you want, share your sentences in the comments.
Thank you for practicing with the English brain.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, or share it with someone who needs to hear this message.
We're going to make more episodes to help you speak better English and live a better life.
Take care, don't waste your time, and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.